Hi everybody. Well, we are now 26 days to the film date of Seatbelts Required, and I just wanted to say thank you for all your support. We can still use your help though. Please go to our GoFundMe page. Every little bit helps. I want to say thank you to Leah and Jessamine for being such wonderful giving actors. We're having a really good time in our rehearsals, and I couldn't have asked for anything better. And to Lonnie, our fearless producer, I know things are a little crazy right now, but your optimism is just refreshing. And to Joe and Chad, get ready guys, it's gonna happen. You guys are excellent camera guys. I know that I'm in good hands. We're 26 days away, guys. 26 days. I could just jump out of my skin right now. So every day I'm going to do a countdown, and every day we need some help. So please share our posts and say a little prayer. So anyway, thanks. It's happening.